Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC, and cheers for checking out the channel today. Cheers for checking out this episode. Okay, so I didn't do an unboxing for this because it's on the Tamiya TT02 chassis. We had the McLaren Senna pretty recently on that chassis, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll put that in the description. Also my Ford GT car that went into a bit more of an unboxing. That was on the TT02 chassis as well, so I'll put that link in the description as well. Now, the reason I got this body, this TT02 kit, was for the body, I should say. And it's a bit of a looker. This is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 5, and it's more of a street edition. They did use this body as a rally car, actually in a rally livery, but this is more of a street-looking version. Also, as well, Gava RC Kicks got this on his show a few weeks back, and funny enough, when he brought his video out, he'd done his in yellow, and that was going to be my colour choice for this car. I thought, oh, it looked great in yellow, but I was beaten to it. So it's like, oh, what colour I'm going to do mine? I didn't want to go box art. I wanted to keep it quite a bright colour, and I thought it would look good. Now, when I went to go and choose some paints, I did pop along to my local store, Inside Line Models, and I was chatting to Paul, the owner, and I said, give us an hand, will you? What colour do you think I should paint this Mitsubishi Evo 5 up? And you know what he said? He went, yellow. And I said, I can't do yellow. And so he had a thought. He said, what about a red? And he said, what about mica red, which is what we have here. And in some lights it gives it a slightly metallic-y look, but I've never used this colour before. It's a Tamiya PS paint, because, well, I'm not really a red person as such, especially on cars. Anyway, I went for that and it came out really nicely. Really pleased with that. It's a bit awkward showing you against my lovely red t-shirt I've got today. So I'm having to hold it out here a bit, but I went for the mica red, and yeah, I think it's turned out quite nicely. So it's looking quite cool. Now, the only problem I had, and I won't say it was a major problem, is I only got the one can of PS paint, and I forgot the plastic wing was in white, so I ended up using what I had left on the wing. If I was going to do it again, I would buy some proper TS paint and redo the wing, but it's not bad. It doesn't look stupid. I just would have done it slightly differently, and of course the wing mirrors as well. Anyway, okay, if you're not sure as well, this kit is on 58713. That's the kit number for this one if you haven't got it. Rather liking the wheels as well. Not sure what else has been used on, but liking the wheels. Quite cool. So, but yeah, pretty pleased with the paint's work on it. It was a damn sight easier than that McLaren Senna I did. And again, I've cheated. I'm using my TT02 chassis that I've also used on the Senna. Didn't see the point of building another chassis up. I just did the bodywork. So after this video's done, this will be going up for sale, and I'll just sell the kit with the painted up body. So there you go. Anyway. Yeah, the other reason is, I'll tell you what, I never really liked Lancers, Mitsubishi Lancers originally. Never really paid much interest to them, and that was mainly because when I used to watch a bit of rallying, I'd be watching Colin McRae in the Super Imprezas, so, and it was Tommy Mackinnon always had the red and white Lancers, so I don't know, just never sort of went for it, always went for the Imprezas. But I tell you what though, Tamiya have done a cracking job on the body, looks really nice. And it's a bit of a red devil, really. It looks rather cool. Anyway, we're going to put it down on this slightly gravelly surface, and we're going to give it a bit of a blast and see what it's like. It is only running the torque tune motor, and it's got the bearings in and things, and it's the same chassis as I used with the McLaren Senna. Anyway, we're going to give it a run and see how it goes. So yeah, a little bumpy on here, but it does look rather cool. It's nice and scale looking. Nice smooth sounding. Yeah. It's got to kick up a bit of gravel with one of these. And I'll tell you what though, it'll be full of stones afterwards. That'll be fun to clean out. So yeah, actually, before we came to film this one, this morning, we were out with the new Tamiya Clodbuster, so I was hoping there'd be enough juice in the battery, and I think we're okay, but yeah. I've still got those awful pogo shocks on this from the kit, and I've not had time to change them still. I've been too much going on, but I will do it eventually. But it kind of adds to the rally, the look of the rally car, bouncing around. Oh, lost the back end. But yeah, it looks rather cool, very nice looking thing. And that red, that mica red really looks good in the sun. It stands out really well, so not quite the yellow I wanted, but it does pop, as they say. Yeah, cool looking thing. So hope you liked how it's turned out. Anyway, let's give it a bit more of a run. There it is. That is Tamiya kit 58713, the rather stunning looking Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 5. And yeah, hope you like that. I think it's turned out rather well. Really pleased with that one, and say much more happy with the end result over than the McLaren Senna did. That's just purely the way I felt like it turned out as comparing to doing the other one. But I said it was the same chassis. Oh, look at that. That'll be fun. Oh, nice. Oh well, still, it's all good fun. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to clean the body off as well now when before it goes to its new owner. But yeah, anyway, looks really good. Looks badass. So yeah, there we go. Tamiya Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 5 on the TT02 chassis. Hope you enjoyed it. Right, thanks for checking this video out, much appreciated as always. Again, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Come find us and join. Also hit that like and notification bell. Also as well, come find us on Instagram and Facebook under Andy Robinson RC. Right, I'm going. We've got some more stuff to do. We'll see you soon. Loads more content to come. Still got the Marui Shogun to do, some Loses to film, running. These are all running videos I've got to get around to doing. Just not getting enough time to do things. Right, anyway, take care. We'll see you later. Look after yourselves. Bye.